Welcome to a fantastic home in Portland's Rose City Park neighborhood. This colonial home is beautifully remodeled on a large lot with a recent landscape redesign. It's ideally situated near a golf course, a hiking trail, and the popular Rose City Park. Heading inside, you'll discover a thoughtfully designed interior with inviting spaces and abundant natural light. Discover an open concept design featuring a chef's kitchen with quartz counters, an eating bar, stainless steel appliances, soft close cabinets, and a stylish backsplash. It opens to the dining area and a spacious family room with sliders to the backyard. On the upper level, you can escape to the private master suite. The walk-through closet connects to an outside balcony, ready for your morning coffee or tea. Enjoy the updated master bath with a large shower and separate sinks. You'll find 2 more large bedrooms on this upper level. And another full bath. The lower level is a flexible space ready for any number of uses. Head out to your private backyard featuring newer decks and fencing, offering a peaceful setting for gardening or entertaining friends and family. Other features include a newer roof, siding, furnace, water heater, and much more. Living here, you'll also enjoy convenient access to Sandy Boulevard and Beaumont shopping, dining, and entertainment options. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact Mark Borgeson with Premier Property Group at 503-539-5435.